Now look at this question. Let y equals mx plus c, m greater than 0. Okay. So your straight line is y equals mx plus c, and make sure that m should be positive. Okay. Be the focal chord. So this line is focal chord to your parabola. Y square equals minus 4 ax. Okay, so it is left side opening parabola, correct? Now which is tangent to the line, this tangent to the curve, this. So this is circle now. X plus 10 whole square plus y square equals 2 square. So this line is focal chord for this. Focal chord. Okay, the same line is touching, means tangent, is tangent. Okay, so they have provided you two equations, as they have two variable m and c. So you have to find value of m and c, and later you have to calculate value of this thing, and then you can mark the answer. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. So first, you know that your straight line is a focal chord to the given curve. So if it is focal chord, it will pass through focal chord. Correct now? So you know that it is left side opening parabola. So let's go with this part. So it is minus a comma 0. Correct? So who is A? A is 16. So can I say that its focus would be minus 16 comma 0? Correct? And your this straight line is passing through the same point, means it will satisfy this point. Okay, so in place of y you should write 0, in place of x you have to write minus 16. Okay, so minus 16x, sorry, m plus c. So can I write c equals to 16m? So we got one equation. Now you know that yes, this straight line is tangent to your curves, means circle. So can I say that perpendicular distance from origin, means center of the circle, distance from center will be equal to radius, है ना? So what is the center of a circle? Center of a circle is minus 10 comma 0. Now can we write this straight line as mx minus y plus c equals to 0. Now find out the distance. So it is point satisfaction. So it is minus 10m minus 0 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. So m square plus 1. Okay, and the radius is what? 2 unit. Okay, now how we will solve this problem? Like we have problem with mod, so I'll take square on both side. Okay, so we will be having a square plus b square minus 20 mc. Okay, then 2 will become 4, and then here root will become vanish. So it is 4m square and then plus of 4. Okay, till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. In place of c you guys can use 16m. Correct now? Because you know that we have to simplify things. Okay, so it's better to convert question into single variable, correct? So go with this part. So look at this. Can I write 100 m square plus c is what? 16m. So 16 square is 256. 256 m square minus 20m into 16m equals 4m square plus 4. Now divide both side by 4. Okay, so it will become 25m square. Okay, and then 56 16 16 16. Okay, 16 and 4, so it is 64m square minus 5m 16m is equal to m square plus 1. Okay, now please simplify. So it is these two things 80m square. Okay, so can I write 25 means 89m square minus 80m square is equal to m square plus 1. Now take this thing this side, so it will become what? 9 and 8m square. 8m square equals to 1, so m will become plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2, but you know that m should be positive, so make sure that your m value is what? 1 by 2 root 2. So I hope you got your m done. Now we need c. So who is c? C is 16m, correct? So can I go with 16 by 2 root 2? I will not simplify this thing because later I have to add, so I'll keep this thing as it is. Now we have to find 4 root 2 m plus c. So 4 root 2 m plus c we have to calculate. So 4 root 2 m is what? 1 by 2 root 2 plus 16 by 2 root 2. So you know that it is base is same. So I'll go with 2 root 2 and then 17. 4 root 2. Now you can simplify root 2 and this is 2. So this is 34. Okay. So the required value is 34. I hope idea is clear.